Hi, I'm Matt Cairns from Reactions. Current support for people with allergies is extremely poor. There's a massive shortage of allergy specialists in the UK, EU, and USA. Current methodologies for working out what people are allergic to are super outdated, and so are modern tracking apps. This makes it really hard for people to work out what's causing their allergy symptoms. Sometimes it takes people years or even decades to work out what's causing the symptoms, and in the meantime, the symptoms wreak havoc on their life, impacting their work, their relationships, their sleep, and also their mental health. Thankfully, at Reactions, we're building an allergy platform which is the solution to this problem. We help people track massive amounts of data, in particular data they didn't realize they should track or data it wasn't possible for them to track previously. We then run this data against curated academic data sets in order to produce reports that tell people what they're likely to be allergic to and how they can mitigate their symptoms. We already have a test version of the platform up and running with 20 test users, and we're releasing a full version in December. So we'll be charging £5 a month per user in the UK for that, and $6.50 per month per user in the US. Our total addressable market is £21.8 billion per year. That's for all people with allergies in the UK, EU, and USA. And our serviceable obtainable market is £2.7 billion per year. And that's for the 11% of people in the UK and US who already change their day-to-day behaviour and spend significant sums of money on trying to work out what's causing their symptoms and then also mitigate against their symptoms. So we're looking to raise £400,000. So what's that for? So firstly, we want to hire a new engineer. This is to help us implement features more rapidly. The next features we want to introduce are ones which are more around mitigating symptoms than just working out what people are allergic to. We want to bring someone on the marketing side of the team to help grow our user base more quickly. And we also want to be able to pay to store much more user data. So we want to create a massive biobank of user data so we can build more tools. These will be machine learning based tools, which will make our service a lot more accurate, a lot quicker for people to use and get results from, and it'll also be cheaper for us to run our service this way using the machine learning tools. The good thing about having a large biobank, it also allows us to expand our service into other fields, in particularly chronic diseases. So the team is made up of myself. I have a background in chemical modeling and chemistry. This allows me to kind of innovate in the field of allergies. And my co-founder, Gabriel Sergel, has a background in cybersecurity, allowing him to keep people's data safe, and also in computer science, allowing him to implement features really, really rapidly. We both have allergies, which means we both understand the problem and our user base. Thanks very much.